Guys, do I have the scoop for you? You definitely want to check out this video if you shop at Dollar Tree for household goods, foods, or even garden supplies. The breaking news is that Dollar Tree once again is raising its prices. And if you have not seen the price hike yet, be prepared because Dollar Tree prices will be going up $1.50 and even $1.75 all across the US. So we're going to go inside my Dollar Tree and see if the price hike has already rolled out. But again, this is confirmed that Dollar Tree is again raising its prices. You see, $1.75. I was not pulling your leg. Only these are $1.75 so far?
So far, yeah, so far.
Okay. And I heard like $7?
Yes, some items are in the back, but that won't be until the summer.
Until the summer.
Those are like chairs and stuff like that.
Oh, chairs?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
until the summer. The word on the street is that the juices will also be going up to $1.50 from $1.25 to $1.50. Ocean Spray juices and all the other juices like Hawaiian Punch will be going up to $1.50 per juice. Here is another increase, $1.50 for the white rice, $1.50 for the white rice. So a lot of these grocery items will be going up to $1.50. These instant noodles that you put and you boil in water will also be increasing to $1.50. So this is good for, actually expired just yesterday, so they probably will be changing this item to $1.50. And we also understand the instant potatoes that you mix will also be going up to $1.50 instead of $1.25. So lots of increases, and they took away all the prices here because they are going to be changing the prices on the breads. Again, the increase going up to $1.50. So bread will no longer be $1.25. It could be in some cases $1.75. So you'll be paying $1.75 for bread. Now let's talk about the balloons. If you buy balloons, the regular balloons were, I think, $1.50 just for the solid color. Now if you get balloons here at Dollar Tree, it will be $2 and up. So you'll be paying $2 plus tax for the helium balloons here at Dollar Tree. And these little knickknacks you see near the register, they also will be going up. They're not going to be spared. They're going to be going up. So you will be paying more for these little knickknacks you see at the register. Almost $2 for this Crush soda grape juice. $2, $1.75. It was again $1.75, and now they have raised the price to $1.75. Did you hear that the prices are going up?
No.
Yes, the prices are going up from $1.25 to $1.50. Some of them are already here.
Really?
Yes. The aluminum foil is $1.50. And some of them are going up to $1.75. Some prices are going up to $1.75.
Because of Trump.
Maybe, we don't know.
Yeah, listen to the news. I heard it. Things were going up because they was talking about the horse. They was talking about the snacks. Said people ain't gonna be able to buy them because they going up. Said because of Trump. So all he's worried about money, but he's not worried about the people.
You think you'll be able to shop here?
Probably won't. I'll see.
Yeah, thank you. Your name?
Russian.
Russian?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a shame.
Yeah?
And I love this store because one closed over there in Roosevelt.
Too expensive, yeah, $1.50. Do you think that you'll be able to shop at your local Dollar Tree with all these prices going up? Remember, they just increased their price a year ago. I remember for a long time it used to be just $1 and then $1.25 and now $1.50 and some items $1.75. And we are hearing that the $3 and $5 items, some of them could be going up to $7. $7. That's right, $7 at Dollar Tree. Does that even make sense to you? Do you think you'll be able to shop here, or is it becoming just a regular convenience store like Walmart? Leave your comment in the comment section.
I still think I'll be able to shop here because the prices are low, but it's not what I'm used to. I'm used to the Dollar Tree being Dollar Tree.
This is $2.50 for a ragu sauce.
That's crazy.
I don't know, right? Can't you get this at maybe it's Stop and Shop or some other?
It's still the same amount.
It's still the same amount?
It's a little bit more.
A little bit more.
That's why I buy my BJ's, because BJ's you get 3 big ones for like $9.
Oh, but
and then
did you-
I used the $1.88 coupon, almost $2 coupon, so I got 3 big ones. I'm talking about the giant ones for like 7 and some change.
But did you know that they're increasing their prices?
Everywhere they are.
But here at Dollar Tree?
Yeah, they said they was too.
How do you feel about that? Crazy.
Yeah, it is. Because we're all struggling.
I want to know how regular folks feel about this increase, and do they think it's fair? Obviously, lots of people have opinions about whether they will be able to shop here or if they will go to another store. But face it, Dollar Tree prices are pretty reasonable, but with the constant increase, I'm not sure if people will be able to shop here on a regular basis.
Been going up. I don't come here that often. Whatever I do, most of the time I do without it. Some of the stuff you buy really don't need. But it's okay.
It's okay until another price hike.
You know what? No, it's not going to happen. There is a cutoff for everybody. When you're on a budget,
And you shop here because you're on a budget.
oh yeah,
Yeah. $1.50. This used to be $1.25, and you see the candles now that are solid color are now $1.50. So again, all the prices here will be increasing eventually to $1.50 from $1.25.
I don't know how they show profit. This is for working class people here. I love coming here, It's amazing, but I heard they're closing down some, I think. It's so sad. There's nothing, what's going on now, there's nothing you can do. Just cross your finger and quiet.
Do you feel like you end up overspending here at Dollar Tree?
No, not at all, not at all. I come from Nixon. We got toothpaste. Look, I got toothpaste. I got a variety of stuff there. You can't, look at this one. Anti-cavity fluoride. You can't beat this.
And you paid $1.25 for that?
Yeah, $1.25.
So it's still very affordable.
Right. It still is. I come here all the time.
Yeah, but it'll be going to $1.50 soon.
Yeah. I don't mind, some of the, in one of the aisles of toothpaste, like they're $5, but you can see that's high-end. Sensodyne,
Yeah.
they're a little small too, but I buy from Costco, like the pack, 4 of them.
Yeah.
But this is great.
Yeah, but some of the $5 items will be going to $7.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Oh, my goodness, wow. And I enjoy coming here because it's ordinary people shop, you know what I mean? You can't complain, period.
Yeah. So you usually end up spending here.
About 50 something dollars, 60 something last week, and
Yeah.
but I get my little accoutrements,
Yeah.
my little stuff like,
Yeah.
this here. I pick up some for my children, the toothpaste and the containers. You can't beat it,
And it's still affordable.
Affordable, absolutely. I was really lucky to have something in the community,
It's the sign of the times, just lots of increases.
Yeah, it's not gonna get easy. You know that, right? It's not gonna get easy. It's still gonna be like the same pressure. I'm still waiting for my eggs price to go down.
We don't know if that will ever happen.
Right,
$16
I don't think so.
eggs.
I went to Costco on this. I buy the 2 trays, the large one. I think they're 2 dozen, 3 dozen in a pack, with double pack, and it's still $22.
Holy moly.
Yeah,
Who
and
can
yesterday I
afford
come
eggs?
from there.
That's insane.
Yeah.
Insane. Well, thank you. Your name?
Our name is Boo, like Halloween.
Boo. Oh, okay. Thanks, Boo.
All right. Good luck.
Okay, thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, Boo. That was Boo. He still says that Dollar Tree is the place to go when it comes. A month ago were $3, and now The bulbs are $5. I don't know if I would even pay $5 for 3 bulbs. You can go to Home Depot and get basically the same amount for less, or even with more bulbs inside for just $5. You get 3 measly bulbs. So what do you think about that? You think it's worth it? The greeting cards are also scheduled to go up. They are 2 for $1 here, but don't get used to that price, because from what I understand, they will be $1.25 each. No more 50 cents per card. They will be $1.25. Now, considering the fact that some greeting cards can go up to $6, that is still a very good bargain. So I would definitely still get my greeting cards here at Dollar Tree, even though it's $1.25. But again, this price will soon be changing. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, The Determined Gardener. Unfortunately, I had to bring you this news. It's bad news for lots of people who depend on these low prices at Dollar Tree. They are increasing their prices, and unfortunately, it's not much we can do. It's just we have to deal with it. But again, lots of people, you heard on the video, it's still a very affordable place to shop compared to Walmart or these other big convenience stores. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts. Again, thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I will be doing lots more videos on gardening and just Dollar Tree products and what products are increasing and what you should look out for. So you definitely want to check out those videos. Keep on watching, and don't forget to join the family and subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends and give it a thumbs up. Until next video, bye-bye everyone.